How can I export a directory structure in Windows? In Windows Explorer, there is a tree view to see the overview of a directory structure. I want to share the structure to other people. How can I get a browsable tree view of the directory structure of a partition and export that file list, so that others can view it without access to the partition? To clarify, I am not interested in the files themselves. I just need a hierarchical listing of all files. Zipping them all up is not what I want.
Assuming your directory tree is of reasonable size, you could also use the built-in tree command, which produces a rather pretty-looking directory tree. Unfortunately, this prettiness is difficult to get working outside of a CMD instance, so you'll probably want to tell it to just use ASCII characters with the switch. Example. From a small multi-level structure. You can then redirect this to a file using a command like, where the directory path is optional, but useful if you want to tree something which isn't the current working directory.
While you most likely want the output of the tree command, e.g. tree/f is greater than output.txt, in this case, if raw text as the output is fine, then you can run the following from a command prompt, where output.txt will be generated in the current working directory, and contain a listing of all files and directories on the C column drive. If you want just an output of files with their full paths, run the following. It would also be a trivial task to write a program to parse the output back into a directory view style program for you to view.
If you want to use PowerShell, the code is very simple and the output is nice. Code. With. You can pipe the output to a text file. Example output.
You can also put the results directly into the clipboard in Vista Plus.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.